What is up, weather enthusiasts? I'm your host, Pat's Path Predictor. Let's get right into the weather. Alright, so this is the situation we have right here, ladies and gentlemen, and oh my god, guys, we have a massive ice storm going on in parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, parts of southern Missouri, and parts of southern Illinois right here. We're going to go ahead and uncover all of this. We're going to go ahead and start with the winter storm warning in the DFW area. We're going to go ahead and click on this real quickly. Winter storm warning in effect until noon Central Standard Time Wednesday. What? Mixed precipitation, primarily in the form of freezing rain and or sleet, is expected. Total ice or sleet accumulations between 1/4 and 1/2 of an inch are possible. Pockets of heavier sleet accumulation will be possible. For those of you guys who do not know, 1/4 of an inch of snow and 1/4 of an inch of ice is absolutely different because snow is made of 90% air and 10% water. Ice is pretty much 100% water, and I always say this to you guys. If you're going 65 miles per hour on a road and you hit ice and you try to brake, you're still going to go at 65 miles per hour. Ice is frictionless. It's also extremely heavy when it comes to power lines, tree branches, everything like that. The density is pretty insane with that, and that's why when you see 1/4 of an inch of ice, 1/2 an inch of ice, you see down power lines with this. So it's completely different to 1/2 an inch of snow, and I wanted to make that very clear as we continue to go through this. Next one we're going to go to is near Oklahoma City right here. This is what we have right here, the winter storm warning in effect. Heavy sleet and freezing rain. Additional sleet accumulations up to 1/2 of an inch, and ice accumulations of 1/10 to 3/10 of an inch. So this system has already been going on since last night, guys. I just haven't reported this yet. So yeah, we have a long way to go when it comes to this. And then this is what we have right here. This is for Arkansas right here. There is an ice storm warning in effect right now for this part of central Arkansas. This is what we're expecting. A couple of rounds of freezing rain and sleet are expected tonight through Thursday night. Ice occurrals should be between 1/4 and 1/2 an inch. Sleet accumulation less than 1/10 of an inch. So yeah, that's why they issued the ice storm warning, because we are looking at a substantial amount of ice there, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to go ahead and go to the last one right here, which was issued just outside of Springfield, Missouri. Winter storm warning. Heavy mixed precipitation, heavy additional snow and sleet accumulations up to 1/10. Snow and sleet accumulations up to 1 inch, and ice accumulations around a light glaze. Portions of south central and southwest Missouri until midnight tonight. Plan on slippery road conditions. I would say for the area south there, southwest, I would plan more than slippery road conditions. If you're in these winter storm and ice storm warnings, do not travel. Please do not travel while this is going on. Ice is extremely dangerous, and if you're caught out in ice and you could potentially get into a bad accident because ice is frictionless. I just talked about it. So we're going to go ahead and pull up the radar right here at the time of recording. There is a lot of mixed precipitation from Illinois and Kentucky all the way down towards the DFW area. The ice hasn't exactly started there just yet, or at least another round hasn't started, but it will very soon. We have some snow going on in parts of Oklahoma. But the big ice storm right here, it is near Fort Smith, Arkansas. It is going to be moving into Little Rock. We do have some very mixed precipitation. This is more sleet over here. This is freezing rain. The sleet is all over southern Missouri right here, just outside of Farmington. Carbondale seeing either ice or sleet right here. Cape Girardeau is seeing pretty much a lot of sleet from this. And this thing is moving pretty much like that. So you're going to be in this for quite a while, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who are going to be affected by this. This is going to be around potentially for another 12, 24 hours if you're up here, another 2 days if you're into Oklahoma and Texas right there. So this is far from over, and we have the models to prove it. This is the North American model, and look at this. This is ice right here. This isn't snow, guys. This is the ice accumulations, and we're looking, and this is 1.69 inches of freezing rain in parts of Texas right here. That is going, if that verifies, that is going to down power lines. The roads are absolutely untravelable here, and yeah, it's not going to end well. A bunch of trees are going to be all over the roads on top of all that ice right there. The rest of it, we're looking at an average around 1/2 an inch in parts of Texas. Dallas proper could see another 0.47 inches. Parts of Arkansas could see up to an inch of ice. Yeah, that's going to down some power lines, especially right there. Next run we're going to talk about is the GEM RDPS right here. If this can do ice accumulation, no, it doesn't. GEM GDPS does not do it either, unfortunately. What we do know does do it is the GFS, and we're going to go ahead and pull this up for freezing rain accumulation. Yeah, it's not looking great. This is what we have right here for the GFS. The GFS is actually being quite conservative when it comes to freezing rain and everything like that. Around 1/4 of an inch at max in parts of Texas right here, although it's not being very conservative in Arkansas, almost 3/4 of an inch, yeah. Yeah, those roads are going to be very impassable. Let's go ahead and pull up the RAT model, see what it's saying. The RAT model, this is only 2 days out. The RAT model is showing quite a lot of ice in this part of Texas right here. DFW is probably going to see 1/4 to a 1/3 of an inch of ice left, but Arkansas is going to be the main threat for quite a while, actually. And we see areas cracking an inch of ice in parts of northeast Arkansas right there. So, yeah, this is a extremely dangerous and a continually developing situation right here, and we will update you here on the Pat's Path Predictor channel. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are new. It helps me out and helps me make more videos like these. The goal of this channel is to get more people engaged with weather. But with that being said, have a wonderful day. Stay safe.